name's Marissa and I developed this recipe, and now I have some tips for you guys. For this recipe, we use gel food colorings. They're a little more pure and stable. When we used liquids, we didn't have as good of results. We use coconut oil for this recipe because it's clear in color and it also has a higher smoke point. If you don't have it, you can always use canola oil. A great way to know if your pan is hot enough is to put 2 kernels of corn in, cover the pan, and watch till they pop. Then you can add the rest of the kernels and the sugar. We chose to do rainbow colors for our popcorn, but you could do any combination you like. You could do your favorite sports team, different holidays, or a baby shower. Your choice. Hope you enjoy making this recipe, have fun, and enjoy!
Oh yes!